Upop liu bakat saw ulaang bo dan jing Tieng ya kasenchar khadar u Donald Trump u President ka United States of America but bin rap bo beteng bet ban Kren Pyrshah ya ka Thma. Kene jing Kren kalawan hadien bo Trump ulaang yo pop kum u batlat halor ki kamrunar bat u bamler haki foreign policy. Shu u Trump ulaang bo day u nong kersan jo upop ya ka bo upop ulaang bo kwa ya tai nia bat u Trump ndai beteng ban wan ra ya ka syongsok. Upo pula kedau baga jing berngam utram ban penpoi jok mau ya ka Iran kam ya hap setia bat kentu ban wat de kiwei kilenti ban penkot ya ka snam. Kalong ru ka ka ba compare ba upo pun kentho bet ya ki jing Kren ki noi lam perthai. Ha ka wei pat kalyang utram ula Thep ya ka dur artificial intelligence AI ka ba pen Ïalade kum u Jisu Khrist. Ha ka te ka dur la pau ba utram ha ki jan phong bat ker saudong da ki jing shai ba pher udang penkot ya ubriu ubla ker saudong da ki balong kum ki angel lani ki sipai. Kani jing Thep dur utram kalawan hadien baula kentho yo pop liu bakhat saw da ka baong bo kwa yo pop u baparkhat bakabyang ya ka Iran bandon Atiar nuclear.
I have no fear of neither the Trump administration nor speaking out loudly about the message of the gospel. And that's what I believe I am called to do, what the church is called to do. We're not politicians, we're not looking to make foreign policy, as he calls it, with the same perspective that he might understand it. But I do believe that the message of the gospel, blessed are the peacemakers, is a message that the world needs to hear today.
Habatien, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya